Hey guys, today I will show you how to download and install Palworld game on your PC or laptop. So first, head over to the Steam website and just click on the sign in options you will see on the top right and just simply create the Steam account. It's quite simple and easy. After you created the Steam account, click on the install Steam options you will see on the top and just download the Steam and install it on your device. And after you download and install Steam on your PC, just open it up, sign in your account, click on the top search box and just type Palworld. You will find this game on the top, so just open it up. After the game is open, just scroll down and you will find the option of add to cart. So just click on it. Now click on view my cart option. Now simply click on continue to payment and go ahead pay the amount for this game. After paying the amount, you'll find this game in your library of Steam. Go to your library, find this game, then simply hit install. That's how you can download and install this game. If you find this guide useful, like this video and thanks for watching.